Good morning, geographers. I'm coming to you from Elwood Smith Park in Rockville, and earlier I just saw 3 deer, and above me, you probably can't see it, but there's a tree squirrel that's white. I've never seen a white squirrel before. I didn't even know there was such a thing. We have black squirrels where I'm from, but anyway, kind of a cool surprise this morning. So I thought, well, why not just talk about parks? um, I really enjoy taking walks, and because today is going to be really hot, I got up super early and took a stroll and ended up here. I've never been here before, but yet it's only about 30 minutes walk from my house, and I wanted to talk about the beauty of just finding those little spots in your hometown or anywhere that you go that you just didn't expect. Parks are great examples of that. Most cities have at least one park. Even my tiny hometown had a few, and we used to go and play there all the time. Now I don't really go play in parks as much, but I do enjoy the fact that they're there. As I'm recording this, there's a bunch of kids that just showed up, and it's kind of nice to know that somebody's taking advantage of this park, and all of the taxpayer money that goes into putting parks together. It's important to have enough people that justify it. So please support your local parks and just take a stroll, enjoy the quiet and the access to nature, whether you live in the middle of a city, a small town, or somewhere in between. You're probably going to have a park, and if not, find one and take a trip. So not much to share other than that today. Hopefully, as I was recording this, the white squirrel made an appearance, but if not, maybe we can Google that. All right, have a good day and see you next time.